So dear students, as we got that John Mildenhall came in 1599 with the petition letter. After 1 year, you can see here in this portion, English merchant formed a trade organization in 1600 AD to trade with the Oriental world, and this organization came to be known as East India Company. English East India Company. They wanted to do trade business with East countries, so East India Company. And when it organized 1600 in England, question also come which day, when and where it was organized, East India Company. So in England 1600 AD, East India Company established or organized. So after this 1608, who came? English merchant, that is merchant, okay, Captain William Hawkins with a petition letter came to Emperor Jahangir. Before this also, and before this trade relation also, already England had what they had some trade business with Sumatra, Java, or some other countries. They had trade business, and this company, they grant permission for what, actually for 15 years they grant permission. Yeah, for 15 years they grant permission. But later what happened, this company took foothold in whole over India because of the king or kingdoms, native kingdoms, Nawab king, they had weakness. So this company took advantage. So here for one of the important question, in 1608, who came, which merchant came with the petition letter to Emperor Jahangir? The person was a merchant. That one, John Mildenhall, was a sailor. He was a merchant. So William Hawkins came, and when they got Farman, they settled at Surat. English settlement got Surat when they got order from Emperor. They got settled at Surat. Surat where? Gujarat. Okay, they settled. After 1 year, what happened? This person, Hawkins, reached to Mughal Emperor Jahangir court. Where court? Agra. There he 2 years stayed and tried to offer many things to the Jahangir, but Jahangir rejected. So after that he went back. Again in 1615, English King James I, he sent another person, Sir Thomas Raw. You can see the photo, Thomas Raw, and he met with Emperor at Ajmer. But what happened here also? Jahangir did not sign any contract. But what happened here? Jahangir granted permission for English merchant to establish factory at Surat. This granted means what? Orally they could have given. That's why here written, could not sign any trade contract but given permission. And with this, what? English merchant continue to endeavor for trade with India at different places. So from that 1600, they started to take control over India through the trade business from one place to another. This way they took strong foothold over India.